Hello, good afternoon. This is Nanoku, a community under Patigi local government, Kwara State, Nigeria. We are the members of this community, and as you can see, nobody in this community, everybody has fled for his or her life, for the safety of their lives. Everybody has left the community. As you can see, the status at which the community is now is devastating, because nobody in this community, as you can see, this community has the capacity of about over 1,000 people, and as you can see, you cannot find a single person in this community. Everybody has left because bandits and kidnappers are coming in day after day to terrorize us and kidnap people. As you can see, currently, three of our members are in their custody. They are demanding for hundreds of millions for them to free those that are in their custody. As you can see, this is our church. This church has capacity of more than 1,000 people, and as you can see, no single person in this church today. Today is Sunday, and no single person in the community that will go into the church and pray, because everybody has left. As you can see, this community is devastating day after day. About 10 days ago, they have been running for their lives. Some people do come in the daylight. They will come and take care of their farm product. But now, you cannot even go to farm. You could not go to farm because they will come into your farm and kidnap you. And they will be demanding for ransom of hundreds of millions. Please, we are pleading to the government of Kwara State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the chairman of Patigi local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. Because as you can see, many of our farm products are there. They are done for harvest, and we could not harvest them because when you go to farm, they will come for you and they will kidnap you. If you refuse to follow them, they will shoot you and eliminate your life. See, and what they are demanding for is what we cannot afford. Millions of, hundreds of millions of nairas is what they are demanding for, and we cannot afford for it. How do they want us to survive? And we have been pleading to the Kwara State government, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and even the local government that they should come to our aid. They should send down security personnel that they will come and secure the village. And they do not listen. They don't act into our request. We don't know what we have done to them. They refuse to come to our aid. Please and please, we are pleading to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Kwara State government, and the chairman of Patigi local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. As you can see, the whole community is empty. No single person in this community. Even I that is speaking presently, I just sneak in this afternoon to come and see the status of the community. And to be honest with you, nobody in this community, I'm telling you, no single person in the community, the whole community is empty. All the houses are there, but no single person in the houses. We don't know what we have done to the government. And they refuse to come to our aid. These people are terrorizing us day by day. More than 15 days now, these people have been terrorizing us. About a month ago, they come and eliminate some people in the community. We do not care. We take it at that maybe it is over. But now what they are doing to us is worse than what they have been doing before. Day after day, they do come in. They will eliminate. They will kill. And even some of your valuables, they will carry them away. We don't know what we can do anymore. If you have a new bike in this community now, you are danger, because they will be hunting after you day after day. They will be monitoring your movement. Once they know they see you where they could not, where nobody is around, they will attack you and collect your bike. And those people, they are in the bush. They are in the bush coming with sophisticated weapons. They have sophisticated weapons that we do not have. How can we confront them? We can't confront them. And even present as I'm speaking with you, I am in the compound of the village head. As you can see, no single person, even the village head, is not in the community, because everybody fled for their life. Everybody is no more in this community. Please, I'm pleading to the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Kwara State government and the chairman of particular local government that they should come and rescue us from the hand of these people. These people, they are busting day after day. And even though if you try to comfort them, they will send a message to you that since you know that since you said that you are powerful, you can comfort them. They are coming back for you. What could you do again? It's for you to run for your life, for your safety. We don't know what we have done to the government. Maybe they don't care about us or what happened. We don't know, but we are pleading that they should come.
Today, we'll be looking into some, security matters from around Nigeria, especially the confection of the Chief of Defense Staff, Christopher Musa, and also a confection from former who says that the terrorism financiers are known, but they are protected. This is a very weighty allegation. Every now and then we call it allegation, but the truth is this. We know that what they are saying is true. What they are saying is true. They know the people who are financing this terrorism in Nigeria. They know everything that is going on. But the people who are truly financing the terrorism are protected. Now, I want you to think like a right-thinking someone who have brain. I want to ask you, these people who are financing the terror in Nigeria, what are they actually financing it for? Are they financing it because they want to benefit something from it? You think it's monetary, enticement to the terrorism that is making them to sponsor terror? I think if you are thinking in this manner, you are getting it wrong entirely. These people have another motive. They have another agenda. So if these people are financing terrorism are known and nobody can fight them, do you now see why this terrorism will never end in Nigeria? It will outlive everybody if people did not come together to make sure that the right thing is being done. We all are chasing now. We are just doing whatever pleases us, reacting to emotions, instead of us to focus on the solution of what is really going on. Now, let us turn to what the CDS Christopher Musa said. He said that every Nigerian should learn combat skills for self-defense. CDS General Musa. I want to ask you, how many combat skills have you learned? Combat skills to do karate, to do wrestling, or to fight people who are carrying AK-47. Do you see how they are manipulating Nigerians? Do you see how they think that maybe people don't have brain to think at all? Because if actually the reason that Nigerians have brain to think, the Chief of Defense Staff cannot come out to say that Nigerians should learn, a combat skill to defend themselves. Now, what he is saying, learning a combat skill, it could be right, but combat skill without gun, combat skills without AK-47, combat skill without a sophisticated weapon when the terrorists who are coming to kill you are armed. So these are the most terrifying thing that we are going to look into this evening through tomorrow morning. So as usual, you can join us through a WhatsApp call by calling the WhatsApp number on the comment section. And also, if you feel like joining us on the live, here you can also use the link over there to join us live. Let us know what you think, because this is getting out of hand. As you know, this is terrible, absolutely terrible. Now, I realize that Nigerians are being distracted. Nigerians are being distracted. Everyone, every now and then, we are concentrating on what does not matter. See, don't blame these people again. All these people they are appointed into position, CDS, Chief of Army Officer, their position is appointment. Don't blame them all. Don't blame them all. Both police, IG, all these people, don't blame them. The reason why I'm telling you should not blame them is because these people, they were appointed. So they have to respect the hierarchy to the person who appointed them. If they are using, pattern to send you message that Nigeria is at war, that people are sponsoring this terrorism, that this terrorism is not going to end, get the message they are passing. If the CDS is coming out to tell you that if they did not fence Nigeria, insecurity will not end, he's not talking about fence. So CDS is just telling you that insecurity in Nigeria will not end. That is the message he's passing. So if you did not get it, it's none of his business. He was appointed. So it is time we stop blaming these people. and understand where Nigeria is now. Nigeria is at war. This is a serious war. Now, CDS Musa listened to his outing on Challenge Television yesterday, where he was talking about the bad roads in Nigeria. CDS always think that he's talking to fools, people who don't have brain. CDS was talking about that so many cases of insecurity, they will call them that the insecurity is going on in so village, they're killing people in so village, but the army can't go there because the roads are not good. Are you kidding me? The roads are not good. What happened to your helicopter? What happened to the fighter jet you are using to bombard the whole Southeast? What happened to these things? CDS is telling more than 200 million people that it is because of bad road that is making them not to fight insecurity, and everybody is believing him. My God. Everybody is believing this guy. He says it's because of bad road. So all those distress calls they used to have, they said military did not answer. CDS is trying to justify it that it's because of the bad road. Because of the bad road. This is terrible, and a lot of people are yet to understand where we are. This is terrible. So the question here now is, if the Chief of Defense Staff said you should go and then combat skill, what type of, where are you going to learn it? How is it possible that every Nigerian, everybody, including you watching me, how is it possible for you now to go and start learning combat skills? How? How is it possible? And everybody just keeping quiet. Everybody just believe that, oh, everything is well. It doesn't matter. Everything is well. Let us just be running. Let us just be going. I'm going to tell you that, for the truth, there is danger ahead. Every now and then, including yesterday, including last week, you see something like this. Ammunition trooping into Nigeria from one corner to the other. All these things you are seeing are bullets. Bullets of AK-47. They intercepted this one. That was the day before yesterday or yesterday. You understand? All these kind of things are going on every day, and people are not interested. Nigerians are being distracted from one trend to another trend. The politicians are bent to making sure that there is something trending in Nigeria for them to divert attention from what is going on.
To ai akwai lamba har yanzu bai tsira ba wancan din ma za an je za a kira shi ba da munka bane yanzu kai ga lamban su nan ga lamban mai karba ma shi ma za a je a kira kama shi kuma still a fa da ne muke tausaya musu yanzu ai yanzu fasu kai naka sako ne sai ai fasula sai ne da bude a bude kada ka hada shi gide da wannan yana ga yana da wayo tun da ka daga ga kace wannan ga yana da nauyi kaga ni once ne wani kaga ni once sake ku da wancan
All right, you can see this is just the minor ones. This one is not the one they use trailer to carry, the one they use all those pickup to carry, the one they use hindos to carry. Who are they going to kill with these ammunitions? Who are they going to kill? Let me make you to understand something. Every live bullet you are seeing there represent one person, represent one soul. Can you count the number of bullets there? Can you count the number of bullets there? Every one bullet there represents one soul. Every one bullet there can kill one person. Every single bullet there can kill one person. So you multiply it by how many bullets you are seeing there. There is a serious danger ahead, but people are not interested. They don't want to know. They don't care about what is going on. Now, let's return to what CDS Musa is saying. Now, the problem I have with Nigerians is this. A lot of people think that maybe one day all these insecurity challenges is going to end. That is one of the most, stupid thing that people are thinking. They actually believe that one day this insecurity challenge is going to end. And for them, they are not interested as far as it's not happening to them. Most Nigerians are so selfish. We are so selfish. This is greediness. They don't care about people dying they are hearing it. It doesn't concern them. As far as it's not their mother, it's not their siblings, every other people dying, it is their fault. Let them die. Wicked people. People are so wicked. People are so wicked. So, where do you start from here? You know, the DSS chief said it before, that people should go and defend themselves. The chief of army officer comes out to say, oh, this is security challenge, even though we deploy the home military officers in Nigeria, we can't stop it. Police comes out to say, oh, politicians are sponsoring it. Governor of Zamfara State will come. Oh, politicians are sponsoring it. Every now and then, people are accusing politicians. Chief of Defense Staff is now telling you to go and then combat skill just to defend yourself. That there are so many roads that are not motorable. For him to make that statement alone, that there are so many roads that are not motorable, for them to go and rescue people, is look at how does this sound as a nation? Sometimes these people will be on national television, be spitting out rubbish. They don't just understand the gravity of what they speak. That it is because of the bad road that is making people to die. Because of bad road. Anyway, it is dangerous, eh?
Nigeria may go down as we're going down. I pray to God it doesn't. Or it might recover and find its course and its mission. But it will not be done by us. The way we are going, if we're not careful, we will write the Constitution, but it will be written by sweat, tears, and blood of young people who we kept out and we're keeping out, and we're designing systems and processes that fit us and do not address the needs of the young Nigerians. It's wrong.
Now, this reminds me about every now and then the constitutional amendment every year, either the patrons or what is the name of other group? They'll come together, they will say they want to amend the constitution, they want to include a referendum. Every now and then they will talk, it will die, they will talk, it will die. Why? Because there is a power above whatever they say there. That power that doesn't want Nigeria to work, that power that doesn't want anything other thing to happen, unless what they want to achieve. So now, let us think about this again. I think it's time for CDS to stop talking. The man is talking too much. And everything he's saying is not making sense. It is time for him to stop talking. Now, if CDS comes to the national television 100 times, CDS will never go back to tell the whole world that in 2015, that APC government imported terrorists, that was how these people came into Nigeria. CDS have never mentioned this. So I see the man as someone who is trying to protect someone who appointed him. Every now and then he will be on the national television. What is he talking about? Nigerians they are very distracted. I don't just know. Nigerians are not interested. That is why no matter the level of openness these terrorists are, even though they are walking in the broad daylight, going to every village, killing people, they are going to succeed. This is not a prayer. The reason why they are going to succeed is that Nigerians are distracted. Highly distracted.